Welcome to our video showcasing the versatility and quality of our 5-ton portable aluminum gantry crane. First, let's explore the robust design and lightweight construction of our 5-ton portable aluminum gantry crane. Designed for durability and ease of mobility, it's ideal for a wide range of industrial applications. Watch as we demonstrate the crane's adjustable height feature, allowing for precise positioning according to your operational needs. This flexibility ensures efficient material handling across varying work environments. Next, we provide a glimpse into our meticulous packaging process. Each component is carefully packed to ensure safe transport and arrival in pristine condition, ready for assembly at your facility. Lastly, we highlight our commitment to quality and safety with certifications that meet industry standards. Our gantry crane undergoes rigorous testing to guarantee reliability and performance excellence. Thank you for watching the video on our 5-ton portable aluminum gantry crane. For more information or to place an order, visit our website or contact us today.